And we'll start off first with our first impression. This is the Asus ROG 3. Asus started off this entire gaming phone thing, and they've really been growing and maturing, and they've been coming up with fantastic phones. This time, this is without a doubt the world's most incredible phone in terms of performance. Nothing comes close. It's a nice looking phone, it's got a great screen, it's got a pretty good optics, it's got great performance, it's got a lot of interesting accessories, everything. So all things that in my first impression are looking very good. I'm going to tell you in my first impression what I didn't like. First and foremost, they've tried to make this a more regular looking phone. Look, I think the over the top look of the Asus ROG 1 and the ROG 2 for gamers was, I think, its biggest USP. This fact that Asus is now trying to tone it down so that other people also buy the phone, I think is a big mistake. Number two, the screen is not a high resolution screen. That itself is something that I was very shocked about, because I thought after 1 and 2 they will do it now. Are they saving on battery life? Well, it has 6000 mAh, they could have pulled it off. And the third thing that I didn't like too much is in optics. Somehow now I expect a much better phone, much better lenses, much better optics. There are many other things that I'd like to talk to you about, but remember, it's just a first impression.
Everyone likes playing PUBG and Call of Duty on their phone, but what if you want to take your game to the next level? Gaming phones are the answer, and the Asus ROG 3 is looking like the hottest new option. With a power-packed spec sheet, the Asus ROG 3 might just be the most powerful Android phone around. But is it the best option? Let's find out in our first impressions. The Asus ROG 3 goes all out on the gamer aesthetic with an RGB logo at the back that lights up and the design elements that scream power. There's even an open vent to help cool down the phone. Unfortunately, that means the ROG 3 is not waterproof. Another special of the ROG 3's design are the two USB ports. There's one at the bottom as usual, but the phone also has a special dual-socket USB-C port on the left side. This lets you attach a wide range of accessories like a fan to improve your gaming experience. Additionally, it lets you comfortably play games in landscape mode while still charging the phone or using your headphones. The 6.59-inch Full HD Plus display on the Asus ROG 3 stands out for being a 144Hz panel. Yes, you heard that right. This is the highest refresh rate display you can get on a smartphone, and everything from games to the interface flows silky smooth. You really have to see it to believe it. And of course, since this is a gaming phone, the Asus ROG 3 has innovative air triggers on the right-hand side. The ultrasonic air triggers can be used as buttons in a wide range of games, so the next time you're playing your favorite shooting game, you can simply tap the phone to zoom in and take the shot. Backing that up is the fastest Qualcomm chipset. The phone is powered by the latest Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset and between 8 to 16 GB of RAM, as well as up to 512 GB of storage to keep everything running as fast as possible. Unfortunately, you can only get 8 and 12 GB variants in India, but that's more than enough to max out all games, and performance was never an issue. As expected, every game runs at the absolute highest setting, and combined with the air triggers, the ROG 3 offers one of the best gaming experiences. Meanwhile, the 6000 mAh battery keeps the phone going all day long. The software on the Asus ROG is not exactly stock Android, but comes jam-packed with gaming features that not just let you tweak the themes but also increase performance. Using X mode, you can bump up the performance even further and change almost every aspect of the phone, including the clock speed of the processor. This is almost unheard of on phones. Now, gaming phones have rarely had the best cameras, but the primary 64-megapixel camera really surprised us by the quality of images. Exposure was on point, and the ROG 3 captured nicely detailed images with good dynamic range. The 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera was just as good, though the macro mode wasn't anything special. Finally, if you want to capture your victory face after winning a match, the 24-megapixel front camera is more than capable of capturing high-quality images. Priced between 49,999 rupees for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, 57,999 rupees for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, the Asus ROG 3 gives very tough competition to the OnePlus 8 Pro. If smartphone gaming is a big deal for you, the design may not appeal to everyone, but Asus has built an incredible gaming smartphone here that might just be the most powerful Android phone around.